According to the ASPCA, 7.6 million animals are surrendered to shelters every year. Let's take a look at a day in the life of Shakeria Bradford, a kennel attendant at Soho's Animal Haven shelter.
My name is Shakeria Bradford. I work at Animal Haven shelter in the Soho area. I've been working there for almost 2 years now. I'm the kennel attendant, which means that I work with the dogs mostly, and I work a little bit with the cats as well. So at Animal Haven, I was a volunteer about 2 years ago. A year later, I became an intern. From the internship, I was able to get my part-time position. I go to Mercy College right now. I'm a junior in the Veterinary Technician program. That job is what kind of brought me to Animal Haven in the first place, and it was from Animal Haven, being a volunteer is what told me that I was making the right choice and picking the major that I picked. Knowing that the end result, I'll be able to do what I'm sort of doing now and work with animals, it helps keep me motivated and, keeps me into the field that I want to basically have a career in. I walk in, all the dogs of course are barking and jumping around because they're excited because they know the day is about to start. We start usually with feeding. We check on them, see how they were overnight, make sure, the ones who held it and didn't go to the bathroom, we take them out really quickly. After that, usually we do our longer walks, so we'll take them to, anything nearby, like a park or an open area, so that they can have, some freedom, show them to people when people come in to meet them, telling people about our mission, telling them the adoption process, and just telling them more about the personality of the dog or animal that they are thinking of adopting, and just helping them along with any questions they might have, on either us or just shelters in general, and just helping them along as much as we can. I think it's really important I would say, to rescue an animal because, one, there's so many of them that need to be rescued all over the country. Plus, it's known that mixed breeds of dogs especially tend to be overall more healthier and live better lives than, say, a purebred dog, because a lot of purebred dogs have diseases and conditions that's associated with the breed. Do your research because you want to make sure that you're fully knowledgeable about what you're about to do. Make sure you really think about it because having an animal is a lot of responsibility no matter what age you are. It takes a lot of time, a lot of money as well, and a lot of effort. You want to make sure you're really conscious that it's a decision that will kind of change your life. So make sure you're making the right one and you're at that time in your life when you can accept basically another person in your family that that you'll have to take care of basically full time. I have lots and lots of stories. Most of the stories are just dogs that have been with us for sometimes years and ends up finally we found the perfect home for them and they finally get adopted. It's always a lot of work, but in the end it's always worth it because we know in the end we want all our dogs to have those type of success stories, always.